No. No limit. All right. Continuing on. Continuing on. Racci's Crown and Limited 2-box break. We're going to start with the Crown. So, after the worst intro ever, let's make the box a little better. So here you go. Bag one. Starts with an Heirs to the Throne jersey of Taylor Hall. And a ruby of Andre Pavlik. We've got an All the Kings Men jersey, George Peros. And an Ice Kings of Corey Perry. Far too much of that guy tonight for my liking. Terrible. We've got a rookie autograph of Matt Reed. Matt Reed rookie auto. That's better. And a rookie of Lance Boma. And final pack of the Crown for you, sir. Is numbered 4 of 99. Rookie silhouette. Jersey prime and autograph. Cody Eakin. Cody Eakin. Silhouette numbered to 99. Nice. All right, now on to the limited. Right, because I got to sneeze. Excuse me. All right, we've got a base card, number 299, Martin Hansel. We've got a red parallel, number 18 of 49, Mason Raymond. We've got a base card, number 299, Wendell Clark. Okay, now I'm certain we pulled the entire print of this card. Number 299, Phenoms rookie autograph, Alexei Emelin. We've got a jersey, number 2, short print jersey, number 10 of 10, Brian Giunta. 10 of 10. And we've got a jumbo jersey prime, numbered 6 of 25, James Van Riemsdyk. JVR to 25. And a crease cleaners, number 199, Ryan Miller. So, nicely done, buddy.